Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create barcodes in Excel. To create barcodes in Excel, first we need to install a barcode font. The link is in my description box. You can download and install. Now add alphanumeric data in the code column, then format the cells to text. After that, paste the formula in the barcode section. Then just click here and select the cell, then hit enter. Now you can drag down the formula to other cells. Then select the cells. Change the font in the barcode column to the barcode font. Now everything's set to use. That's it. Very simple and very easy.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.